Today, we're taking you to a breathtaking destination in the Philippines, Ocam Beach, a secluded paradise in Busuanga. If you're seeking tranquility away from the bustling tourist spots, Ocam Beach is your perfect getaway. With its pristine sands and emerald waters, this beach offers a serene escape into nature. Unlike more commercialized locations, Ocam is untouched by large resorts, giving you an authentic experience of the island's natural beauty. Here, you can relax under the sun, take a dip in the clear waters, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. And there's more to do than just bask in the sun. Local life here is vibrant and welcoming. You can explore the nearby village, interact with friendly locals, and even indulge in some freshly caught seafood. Ocam isn't just about stunning views. It's about an immersive experience that connects you with the culture of the Philippines. It's a place where each sunset is a reminder of the day's simple joys and the night's peaceful embrace. As we wrap up our day here at Ocam Beach, we're reminded of the beauty of finding places that are off the beaten path, places that remind us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the world in its most natural form. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with our travels. There's always more to explore, and we can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, keep wandering, keep wondering.